Well, good morning. This is Andrea from the Schmidt House. Happy 4th of July. I'm out here working this morning, helping with the parade. Just throwing some trash away real quick. But we're going to be lining up vehicles here in just a few minutes when they start arriving. And then I'll hopefully have a little bit of video of the parade later this morning. So it's all empty right now. It's just a calm before the storm. So I think this is supposed to be our biggest parade here ever. I think we've got right at 100 entries, and some of them are multi-vehicles and cars. Okay. Well, almost everybody's here, over 100 entries. We'll get started here in about 20 minutes.
We broke good old tomatoes. We got hometown pride. America can survive.
Okay, we've got about 5 minutes until the parade starts. There's our ROTC at the beginning. We're going to have a flyover here in just a few minutes. There's our former mayor having fun. And big crowd with over 100 entries. Their biggest one yet. Okay, so we'll get started here in just a few minutes. Okay, our flyover hasn't happened. Emily is next, followed by Randy. Here comes our Aggies. Gig 'em. Oh, no, Pioneer Museum, Fire Department first. We've got our classic cars here, or vintage cars, I should say. Well, I guess since I pointed out the Aggies, I'll point out the Texas X's too. And we've got the Rhinery right behind them over there. So far, it's running smoothly. get the parade started.
Opening up a nice cool breeze. Yeah.
This guy's been driving around town, see him every once in a while, I think.
And remember, Mom and Dad, it's never too early to teach your
we're
children to
hopping
listen
in,
to
right
good
at the
music.
end.
One, oh.
Thank y'all.
You know, the interesting thing, another block commercial, but there's bigger stuff.
Hey, there's a lot of trailers.
Somebody's hot. Yeah, the cooking engine is not my fault. It's not the Cybertruck.
They're balloons. They're running on balloons.
Happy 4th. Thank y'all for coming.
Hey, neighbor.
He's got it. Don't be afraid. If the music moves you, this is a safe place. We know how to dance here. Sorry, sir, the Luke Combs truck will be coming through in just a little bit.
Thank y'all.
Happy 4th, all. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Thank y'all.
Well, we had a road course in the parade, and they got up here and left us some fun stuff to clean up. So, I'm gonna go see if I can find a shovel and a bucket and take care of this. Okay, well, the parade's all done. Cleaned up that mess the horse left behind. We actually saw the horse on the other side of the main street, and a police officer was headed over to talk to him because they are not allowed to do that here where we're at. Stopped at a local barbecue place, have some barbecue over here, chopped beef sandwiches, and then I got me a stuffed baked potato, so that'll be good for our 4th of July lunch. And then I think we'll do pizza this evening before we head back into town for fireworks at the park. So see you a little bit later. Okay, I got home earlier from the parade this morning, and we went to Oma's house and we did a few things there after we ate our brisket sandwiches. And then Avery and I took a nice nap, didn't we, Avery? And now where are we going? To the park.
The fireworks.
To see the fireworks? And what are y'all gonna do until the fireworks come on?
Play at the park.
Play at the park on the playground, right?
Yeah. Because today's the 4th of July.
That's right, it is the 4th of
And
July.
tomorrow will be New Year's.
No, tomorrow's not New Year's. New Year's isn't until right after Christmas, silly. Okay. Yeah, we didn't shoot any of our own fireworks today that we got, but we'll do that.
Later.
Yeah, maybe we'll see if we do some tomorrow. We'll see. Tomorrow night or during the day tomorrow. Just a little bit too busy today. Okay, we'll see you at the fireworks and happy 4th of July.
Bye.
Well, we made it to the park. Fireworks start, let's see, probably 2 hours from now, maybe a little less. But we wanted to get a spot up here on the top of this hill. Fireworks are going to be shot right over there. That's a driving range, and the trailer's already there with all the fireworks set up. So we're being up on this hill is nice. The girls have already made friends. They're playing over there, and then we've got a bathroom right there. So, it's really the perfect setup. So we'll come back to you after a while when it gets a little bit closer to fireworks time. So here we are. We're getting ready for the fireworks show. It's about to start, isn't it, Harmony?
Yes.
Isn't it, Avery? Y'all been playing on the playground?
Yeah.
Are you gonna watch fireworks here? Should start in about 15 minutes. So we got some lighting issues going on here.
I already see fireworks over there.
Yeah, I think some people are shooting them outside the county. They're not allowed inside the city limits. Okay, we'll come back with the fireworks here in a few minutes. Can y'all say Happy 4th of July?
Happy 4th of July.
Okay. Oh, there they go. Isn't that awesome? Is it loud, Avery? Holy smokes, that's like hitting the ground over there. Part of the explosion was hitting the ground. Uh-oh, that one was not supposed to do that.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
goodness.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
It's lighting up your face, Avery. It's so bright. Cool. Was it a heart? All kinds of colors. This is the end. That's it. Oh, they faked us out. Okay, I think that's it. So what do y'all think of that? Did you like it?
No.
You didn't like it.
I loved it.
My goodness.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Okay, happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
So it's July 5th now, and we're popping some fireworks finally. What are y'all doing?
Pop in these. What are they called again?
Pop pops.
Pop pops, yes. Fun.
Daddy's picking vegetables. And we're watering the grass so we have it nice and wet when we do our fountains later.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, can you...
And a smoke bomb. Neighbors are gonna love us.
I'm dead up here. I appeared. I feel like
Okay, Avery, you gonna light one? This is your second one to light.
and then I'll light one.
Good job, thank you. Good job, Avery.
Oh.
Okay, hold on.
Uh-oh, it's water. Water. Smoke water.
That one's coming out a little bit. These aren't the best smoke bombs in the world.
Hot? It's not hot. Can I do one, Mommy?
Yeah, it's just a second.
Only one. I died.
Okay, now Harmony's gonna light one. Okay, hold on, watch the punk. Give me the punk.
That scared me and Millie.
Okay, hold on.
Wow, look it.
Okay, y'all ready for a snake? So we can get this to light.
Snake will appear. Light, bro.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at that, it's growing. Do you see it?
That's scary looking. We said
No.
this. We said this the last time. The last year, it kind of looks like.
Oh my goodness. Last time we did these was in the snow, I think, on New Year's Eve.
Snow?
Yeah, it snowed on New Year's Eve here when we were doing this. That's why that one has black marks on. Avery, stop that. Avery, that's disgusting. Uh-oh. Is it gonna fall off?
Don't fall off. Don't fall off. I'm
Growing.
Run, run.
Run, run, run.
Crazy girls. Pains in the neck.
Gonna be bright. It's bright.
got a fountain going. First to 3.
Now that is what I'm talking about, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, get it over by that propane tank.
Yeah, that way it will burn that tree over there.
Then we'll have some awesome fireworks. That's the redneck way. Oh, good job, Avery. That's cool. Swing it. Swing it around. Oh, awesome.
I'm not working over here.
Awesome, Avery.
There you go.
Yeah, but metal ones.
Yeah, they're when you get done with it, hand them to me, okay? Don't touch the ends because they will be hot.
Pretty warm. This is like the opposite of marshmallows. You put your marshmallows on the stick, but in this case, you put your fire on the stick.
Okay, here, you want another one? Hold on, hold on.
Yo, it's hot.
There you go.
Rico,
Okay, yeah, that one. I'll grab that pink one.
Rico,
Right
I
there.
want
See
to
it?
come
There you go.
I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna.
Oh, that's a lot of sparks, Avery.
No, it's.
That's a good one.
Where do I put
Good job going around and around.
Let me throw them down.
That looks pretty.
Hello.
That's scary.
I'm sorry if I
You
gave you
look like a,
nightmares.
oh my God.
I'm sorry if I give you nightmares tonight. Creepy, creepy.
Ooh, that's scary.
Imagine you see this in your bedroom at night.
That would scare me in oblivion.
Stay over there.
It is dark out here now.
Hey, Daddy, would you be scared if it was like the middle of the night?
I'm terrified right now because I thought I saw Bigfoot out there a while ago.
With eyes?
I saw this white creature hopping on one leg.
Okay, here we go.
Daddy saw it. The
Oh,
panda.
it's a
I want to get back a little
panda.
bit. I don't know how big this is going to be. I'll get back a little bit.
That's all, folks.
If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you had a happy 4th of July from the Schmidt House. See you on the next video.
Creepy face.